Want to make money while you sleep? It starts with how you spend when you're awake. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or investments. Open a high-interest savings account. It won't make you rich, but it's the first step to passive income. Next step, invest through a TFSA. That's tax-free growth. And yes, gorillas hate taxes too. And keep debt low. You can't grow money passively if it's getting eaten up actively by interest. Budget smart. Invest steady. Let your money grow quietly in the background, like a jungle vine. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.